know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. I'm in my head again. I was raised like that, so I guess I never really changed like that.
Well, hey y'all, how is everybody? I hope everybody's well. I hope 2020 is treating everybody great so far. So guys, I have got a new spoiler that I haven't seen. Now y'all might have already seen it, but this is for the BoxyCharm January base box. And you know I've been putting out a lot of these spoilers, and every time I find a new one, I put it up. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified every time I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the BoxyCharm January Premium Box. Congratulations, Amber Olsen Malinich. I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, Amber says, good afternoon. Well, good evening, Amber, honey. Thank you so much, honey. You're so quick at that bell. I really appreciate it, girl. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first of all, I'm going to show you what I've already shown you and what we already know about. And then I'll show you the one that I just found out about. And again, y'all might already know about this one, but still, since it's new to me, I'm letting y'all know, just in case there's anybody that don't know. So the first thing, these are variant items. Now these were choice items, so if you missed the choice window, or if you're a new subscriber, it's going to be a surprise. But you'll either get the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette or the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. If you don't get either one of those palettes, you're going to be getting the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Next up is the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. You'll either get that or the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Now, next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. You're either going to get that or the Skin & Co. Exfoliator, which is that gommage thing. Everybody was asking me what gommage is. It is an exfoliator. And guys, I don't know why I did this, but since I've already told them. So this variant item is the new item I didn't know about. It is in with these. So if you don't get Glow Recipe and you don't get the Skin & Co., you will be getting an Avant sleeping mask. I think that's how you say that. Not sure, but you know. Now, since that is the new one, I might as well let y'all know what we already knew about anyways. Let you know the rest of it. So the next thing is the Wander Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. Now, there are 2 different shades of those. It looks like one is for light skin, one is for medium to dark skin. And then last but certainly not least is the Grande Cosmetics, the Grande Drama Mascara. Now, of course, they're going to be revealing more for this, like more variants and stuff, and then we'll know exactly which items are variants. So as soon as they start doing that, I will let you guys know. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. Guys, I did find this variation. Now, this is going to be one of the box variations for January BoxyCharm base box. Always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Tracy Babes. Tracy says, hey, Mandy. Well, hey, Tracy, honey, how are you? I hope 2020 is being really good to you, honey, and I really appreciate the support on my channel. I can't tell you how much it warms up my heart, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Guys, remember, leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, hell not. I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I'll also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.